Maybelline? Eto, minsan mo lang, or actually first time mo lang parinig siguro yung title na The Collectors. Okay, before we discuss that, you want to say hi to everyone watching us?
Yes, good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to see everyone at maraming salamat. Alam po namin, Pasko na bukas, Christmas Eve na bukas, but thank you so much for spending your time with us. Sobrang excited kami na makita ninyo po ito.
Sobrang excited na kami mapanood.
Anything and everything. Huwag niyong kakaliin.
Ayan na! Sakto-sakto.
Yes.
Painted the town red with that color. Maraming salamat po. And we'll be seeing you sa red.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Long time no see, and it's so great to see your family. You know, they're inside the cinemas already. Before anything else, I want to say hi to everyone.
First, just happy to be part of the TPM Festival, and also I want to thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone who took the time and spent time this 23rd with us. Inside the movie house, I will shoot it live.
Yes.
So I know my family and good friends are excited about it. Waiting for us. Excited to see the film.
I remember vividly, Draga.
Ang staff and their very special guests. Ito na talaga ang pinakamasaya at star-studded.
Being more excited too.
A moment later, just in case, with Miss Nadine, Sir Aga, and of course, Miss Bills.
This icon right here, ladies and gentlemen, gracing us with her presence, each of this morning. So world premiere, not uninvited, we got one and only Miss. Please enjoy our program and of course the movie tonight. Okay, malayo pang pinagalingan, hindi over pero kasama natin the very uninvited world premiere. Okay. There we go. One last photo for the Recto family. And also we got Ryan and Recto together with we got Director Solomon. Hello, Director. You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi, everyone. Are you going to be totally romantic comedy?
Yes. Yun muna, papayaw lang, okay? And later on, we got that surprise for everyone who will be watching our world premiere. Maraming salamat, Direk, sa Emmanuel. Direk, maraming salamat. I can't help but look at your eyes. Okay?
Nagpa-backside ako. Nagpa-talking ako.
Ay, nako. I missed you, Direk Pim.
Several seasons, Ate V, and Sir Akong Mula, Nadine, and many more. And it's been a while since I've watched.
We're going to be coming in just the Gonzalez right there. We got Andres and Natasha. Okay. Beautiful smiles for a very beautiful family. And Filipino na nanonood, whether it's Pilipinas or worldwide. But talking about influence, we got the biggest influencers of our country right now. Is it okay? Always a fun time with the Manzano, especially one and only Mr. Luis Manzano. Okay, one more photo, and hopefully they will say yes to our invitation right here and ask a couple of questions. If you have comments, keep them coming, and also questions later on. Bibigyan po namin yan, and bibigyan po namin ng panahon. One of my idols, we're talking about Mr. Luis Manzano.